This video describes how to use Globus to deposit to the Stanford Digital Repository. Using Globus is required if you have more than 10 gigabytes of files for your deposit. I have already logged into the Globus system and completed all necessary authorizations there. This is the deposit form for the SDR self-deposit application, and we are on the Manage Files page. Before you can begin using the Globus option, you need to have saved a draft of the item. I have already pre-filled in all required areas of the form except for the file upload, so I'm going to save this as a draft. On the info page for the deposit, click the Edit or Deposit button to open up your draft. You'll be taken directly to the Manage Files page where the button to Use Globus to transfer files is now active. Detailed instructions on how to use Globus to transfer files are available at the link next to this button. Click the Use Globus to Transfer Files button, then select the link that corresponds to where your files for transfer are currently located. I'm selecting Stanford's Google Drive. This link will open the Globus transfer window with Stanford Google Drive open on the left side of the screen and the destination folder for the SDR on the right side. Click on the panel on the left side of the screen to activate it. Select the file or files for transfer, and then select the Start button. Globus notifies me that the transfer request has been received. You will receive an email when the transfer is actually complete, but you can also check the Activities section of the Globus interface to monitor larger transfers. Click on the right panel to activate it, and then click Refresh List in the header to view your transferred files. Once all your files have been transferred to the shared folder on Globus, return to the SDR self-deposit form and click the button that says Globus File Transfer Complete. A list of the transferred files will be retrieved into the form where you can add descriptions, hide files, or delete any you decide you do not need to deposit. If you have additional, smaller files to add to the list from Globus, this can be done using the drag and drop. You may also click the button to use Globus again. Doing so will replace all of your content with the new list of files from Globus.